Did you know MrBeast? The crazy generous YouTube metastar? Known for epic challenges and even crazier hair? But wait, he is not only a YouTuber, and now he is in MetaAI to chat with you. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our new video. In this short video, I will explain about MrBeast in MetaAI, and what can you do with MrBeast. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Have you noticed that popular YouTuber MrBeast is now in MetaAI? MrBeast is a popular YouTuber known for his philanthropic acts and entertaining content. But he is now in the MetaAI to help you and talk funny chats. MrBeast, along with several other celebrities, has become an AI character within Meta's AI assistant feature. Who is MrBeast in real? MrBeast, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson. He is a multifaceted figure with several achievements to his name. He is a popular YouTuber known for his philanthropic acts and entertaining content. Besides YouTuber, he is an entrepreneur also. But what MrBeast characters do in MetaAI? Meta announced its new AI assistant, featuring various virtual characters based on celebrities. And MrBeast is one of these characters. Each character has a unique personality and skill set. Here MrBeast is known as the Funny Man. In MetaAI his name is Zach. You can interact with the MrBeast AI character through Meta's AI assistant on platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, and on Messenger. This character can answer questions, generate creative text formats, and even tell jokes in MrBeast's style. MrBeast is a unique figure who has captivated audiences with his entertaining and often outlandish YouTube content. The AI named Zach looks like MrBeast, but it's not actually him. Think of it as a super funny digital clone, ready to entertain you 24 hours. Zach can do all in MrBeast's signature playful style. Think of it as having your own personal funny assistant. So where can you chat with MrBeast? Meta announced its new AI assistant in a different messaging platform. And it is available on WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger. In MetaAI Assistant, his name is Zach and you can see his picture. Remember that, currently MetaAI is not available in all countries. If it is not available in your country, you need to wait for some time. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips videos. And leave down a comment in the comment box.